So with the midpoint formula, okay, if it says determine the midpoint of A, 2 and 5 and B, negative 4 and 1, the middle, okay, you add the two x values, divide by 2, you get the middle. Same as with the median. If you have a lot of values and two of them are in the middle, and you need to find a median, you add the two and you divide it by 2, and you get the middle of them. Okay? So it works like this. Okay, the rule is x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided. It almost looks like a gradient formula. But in this case, you don't subtract, you add the two values and you divide it by 2 and you get the middle. Okay, so if I take the two x values, 2 and negative 4, doesn't matter which one you start with. You can say it's going to be negative 4 plus 2 divided by 2, negative 4 plus 2 divided by 2. The y values, 1 plus 5 or 5 plus 1. Again, it doesn't matter which one you start with, as long as you add the 2. So negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2, and then negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the midpoint between the two lines, the midpoint is negative 1 and 3. Okay? If you look at the little sketch, I'll just show you quickly on a sketch. If we make a rough sketch and we say 2 and 5, 1, 2, and we go up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we say A is there. B is negative 4 and 1. So we go back 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go 1 up. Just 1 up there. So here we got AB, there's the line. And then the middle should be somewhere around there, right? Somewhere around there, the middle of the two, M, the midpoint. So you can see negative 1 and 3. There's negative 1. There's 3, so that is the middle between the two. Okay.